A fiberglass Madcow SuperDX3 flying on a CTI I255 Red Lightning, and it has dual deploy 2 systems in there.
And they are?
Altus Metrum and RRC2, set for 500 and 300.
I hear the plane. Does anybody see it? Doesn't sound like it's near, but I just want to check. Alright, James's rocket going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not the up part. I make the first one the right size and the second one.
The second one bigger, yeah. Well, I guess I have two things in one canister, so.
Okay. Cool.
Little slower than mine.
A lot slower.